Your thumb hovers over that buy button because that oversized knit sweater looks like a total dream in the studio lighting. It is a scene we all know too well. You are scrolling through a social media feed and suddenly a brand like Charlotte Giovanni pops up with an aesthetic that screams high-end luxury at a fraction of the cost. Everything looks curated. The dresses flow perfectly. The outerwear looks heavy and expensive. The site itself feels like a high street boutique that you just happened to discover before everyone else. But there is a massive gap between a professional photo shoot and the reality of a garment arriving in a plastic mailer from halfway across the world. When we look at sites like this, we are often seeing the best possible version of a product. Sometimes we are seeing a version that might not even be the one being shipped. It is easy to get swept up in the frequent promotions. Seeing a 50% discount makes your brain shut off the logical part that asks why a premium coat is priced like a fast food meal. The selection is genuinely trendy. They have the latest cuts and the seasonal colors that everyone is wearing right now. If you're looking for a quick wardrobe refresh, the visual appeal is undeniable. However, the hype starts to splinter once you dig into the user experience. Quality is the biggest gamble here. You might expect a soft, heady wool blend and receive something that feels more like thin synthetic felt. The stitching might be loose. The finish might look rushed or uneven. This is where the price reflects the craftsmanship. Then you have the nightmare of sizing. A medium in one brand is a small in another. Without a standardized fit, you are basically guessing based on a chart that might not be accurate. If the fit is wrong, you enter the labyrinth of shipping and returns. Many of these boutiques have policies that make it nearly impossible or incredibly expensive to send an item back. You might end up paying more in shipping fees than the dress was worth in the first place. You have to be a detective before you hand over your credit card details. Look at the refund process. Read the fine print on those seasonal sales. It is not that every lesser-known retailer is out to get you. Some are just smaller operations trying to compete. But when the branding is this polished and the prices are this low, a healthy dose of skepticism is your best friend. Do not let a glossy photo dictate your entire wardrobe strategy. If you decide to take the plunge, do it with the knowledge that what arrives might need some adjustments or might not survive more than a few washes. It is a game of risk and reward. Sometimes you get a total gem that looks amazing. Other times you get a piece of fabric that does not resemble the ad at all. Always check the fabric composition. Look for real customer feedback that includes photos. If the deal feels too good to be true, it usually is. Your closet deserves better than a gamble that ends in a box of clothes you can never wear. Be smart about where you spend your hard-earned money and do not let the flashy sales distract you from the reality of manufacturing costs and shipping logistics. Think about the long-term value of a garment versus the short-term thrill of a bargain. Every single click carries a bit of risk. You want to make sure that risk pays off in style rather than regret. Take your time. Research the brand name across different platforms. See what people are saying on social media comments. If the comments are turned off, that is a massive red flag. If the photos look a bit too perfect, they might be stock images used by dozens of other sites. Protecting your wallet is just as important as looking good. Be patient and wait for the real reviews to surface.